So if your skin is not looking like this, if you want to get that brighter glowing skin, get this body butter shower gel. It comes in different varieties, but this one lightens more. Yes, it contains glutathione, which helps to lighten your skin. It glows your skin, though it's for all skin type. If you're having a sensitive skin, you can as well use it. Yes, if you want to glow your skin, you want that glowing healthy skin, consider to get this body wash. It brightens your skin, even out your skin tone, and it comes in different varieties. It has the radiant vitamin C. This one contains kojic acid and alpha arbutin. So if you're having dark spots, knuckles, blemishes, this one helps to clear it very fast. Yes, and it also has the one that contains lactic acid. That means if you want to exfoliate your skin, this one is good. This one contains vitamin E, which helps to glow your skin. Yes, and it is for all skin type. This one contains buttermilk, which helps to nourish your skin, glow your skin. If you're dark in complexion, this one will work very well for you. Yes, this one is very good for some of my ladies that are dark in complexion, that want their dark skin to moisturize, to glow, to even out their dark skin. This one is the best. And if you're also having a sensitive skin, this one is also the best. Yes. It also has lotion. Yes, if you want to glow your skin, if you want that glowing skin, get it lotion. If you're buying the shower gel, make sure you get it lotions. It comes in different varieties. Whichever one you buy, get it lotion. So if you need this body wash, DM me, comment in the comment section so that I will know. That's all for today's video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.